You have no income to do this job. You have income to do this job. Hi everyone, I'm Dennis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to guide you how to earn money at home from a website called Microworkers.com. Basically, you get paid by doing a small task. I think you guys are excited to know how do I generate income in 4 minutes. All these tasks are extremely easy. For example, clicking and subscribe to YouTube channel or reshare the Twitter post. First thing to do is to register an account at microworkers.com. Please fill up the form online with accurate information, your real name, your real address, and real phone number. Don't put the fake number or else you will get in trouble later. After the registration, you will receive the email from microworkers.com. Click the link and you will be routing to an activation page. You are not done yet. You still need to get the SMS from Microworkers, something like this, and fill up this code into the activation page. Registration done. Congratulations. Some of the users are required to do the English exam before you start the job. But I will not wasting time here to demo how to do the exam, because the main point in this video is how to earn money. So without wasting your time, let's see the demo. How do I earn money in 4 minutes? Alright guys, as promised, I will start to do the live demo for you, how I earn money from this microworkers.com. So the first job we're throwing the demo is the email test. You can see all the individual jobs here have the individual income. Like this one, 10 cents, 5 cents. The email job is only provide us 5 cents. Let's check this out. Okay, see the description, blah blah blah. Accept and start. First thing, go to this website. We open the new tab and paste the URL you just copied just now. Look at the time. Now it's 5:38. You see how long to complete this job. 2266 and key in your email address. Okay, done. I'm using my smartphone to check my Gmail. And I have received the code from the employer in the bottom of my email. So what I need to do now is back to the first tab, key in the email, and key the code. And this is my code. And I click submit button. Okay, job done. Submitted successfully, thank you. Go back to the job and look at the time. I was started 5:38 and now it's 5:40. Easy money, right? The income is already here. Please leave a comment below if you have any question. See you guys in next episode. Remember to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Right about now, the Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now.